Hi friends, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding ICSE as well as ISC results going to get published today at 3 p.m. 2021. So as you can see on the screen, this is the publication press release given yesterday to press people, and I will show you in this video two methods of checking your results. One is through mobile, you can check it without installing any application. The web URL I will show you, and how the screenshots, how the expected things to be working today at 3 p.m. And also one more thing we will see is through SMS. That means if the website is working, not working, and something like if it is rush and busy, you can also check through your SMS. You can just quickly send an SMS and get all your marks card or marks details in your mobile through SMS. So both of these methods we will cover quickly. So as per the press release, this is the document released. You can see here clearly they say that 2021 result is going to get published on Saturday 24th 3 p.m. clearly it is given here. Okay, and below this sheet they are also explaining you the methods where you can test it or check the results online. Let us quickly see it, and after that we will go to the quick demo. So this is the website. You have got two options, friends. One is cisc.org and another is results.cisc.org. Both of the website now giving you the same page. Okay, and home page will give you the results for 2021. We will see how this looks like at 3 p.m. what are the details you have to enter online. So there are two methods published. One is checking online, as we are discussing now. Candidate has to enter either they are looking for ICSE or ISC. Okay, and after that you have to enter your unique ID and index number and captcha. Three things you have to enter online. I will show you after some time how this can be done online. And then next you have two options of view as well as print your results. First you have to view it, and after that you have to click on print and get it downloaded. This is the method one expected. And the second method, if you do not wanted to log in or do something, you can simply send an SMS as in method 2 and get the marks details as an SMS on the mobile. So we will see what are the things you have to do. For sending SMS, this is the format. For ICSE, you have to send ICSE space your 7-digit unique ID and send SMS to the mobile number given here. I will show you how much it is. Now for ISC, you have to give ISC and then your 7-digit unique ID. You can see here the message has to be sent to below number. Okay, 09248082 and 883. This is the number. You can note it down, save it if needed. And for ISC, as you can see, this is the format. So two formats you have to simply give as according to the which exam you are looking for, ICSE or ISC. Okay friends, ISC it starts with ISC and then your unique number. For ICSE it will be ICSE and your unique number to be SMS to this given mobile number, and you get a marks details like this. You can see here you will get an SMS back saying your unique ID and your index number, and all the marks accordingly will be displayed. The subject name and marks will be displayed. This is the method, quick and easy. Also you can but you cannot download the marks sheet here, complete details. Okay, so let us see how it works on expected to be working on online. These are the two URLs you can do directly from mobile. Just go to mobile browser and give results.cisc.org. okay, you can just give cisc.org also. And as of now, when you check here, now it will be showing you something like this, where ICSE result will be declared on 24 3 p.m. There is a refresh button. You can refresh it at 3 p.m. okay, because clearly they have shown that this both the results are going to get declared at 3 p.m. today. Okay, so I will give this website URL in my video description. You can directly copy paste in your web browser. So 3 p.m. once you refresh it, the page is going to expected to change to result download page, something like this. And as you can see here, it will be shown as results 2021. Okay, this was the thing shown last year also. And as you can see, first you are supposed to select your course. There will be course option, and after that UID and index number and the captcha you have to enter. These are the details we are discussing about online. You have to enter all these details. Okay, So when you click on the course button, you get two options, ICSE or ISC. You are supposed to select this accordingly, which exam result you are looking for. After selecting that, you are entering your UID number. You should have got an SMS from ISC or ICSE mentioning your UID number already. Please check your mobile, 7-digit UID, you should have already got it. And then index number also should be there in your SMS. So just let us take an example here. Enter your UID number and index number, and after that one more thing you have to enter is the CAPTCHA. It will be shown here like this. Enter the same text, and after that show result will be enabled, and you can click on the show result button here. Once you click on the show result button, it will take you the page where it will show you the details like your candidate ID, date of birth, your school and stuff, and also your other details is expected to be shown like subjects, total marks, percentage, all these details. Okay, so you can also print and save this marks card and details, so that there will be an option at the bottom or top of the page. You can check it and print the result and keep. So this is going to be your marks card here. Okay, and one more method was the SMS method. We will quickly see it also if you are interested, because this also a good knowledge for you. If needed, you can use the option like this, ISC and 7-digit unique ID, and send SMS to this. It's very quick, straightforward. Something like this you have to do. If it is ISC, give it as ISC, otherwise ICSE. Okay, and after that just send the SMS from your mobile to this number, and you get something like this format where unique ID, index number, followed by your marks card completely. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. See you with another very informative video.